Hi guys, I am back to film back to school supply haul for you guys because school is just right around the corner. So I wanted to get this up super early. Well, it's not super early because it's like the first week of August, but better early than never. Anyways, I'm going to be a junior this year. I'm going to 11th grade, so I'm so happy. Like halfway throughout the school year, almost finished. So class of 2017. So comment down below and tell me when you go back to school and what grade you're going into and what are you looking forward to this school year. What are your goals? My goal is to keep my grades above a 95. That's what I'm aiming for. Sorry, I'm an overachiever, but anyways, let's get started. I did my school supplies at the one and only Walmart. I always go there. They have amazing deals and sales, and they're very inexpensive. So let's start off with, like, obviously binders. I bought 5 binders, one for each of my classes. I'll be taking Spanish 4, AP US History, AP Calculus, Pre-Calc, and then AP English, and then Chemistry. First off, I just got these. They're very hardcover, so it's just this with butterfly chevron print. These are 1.5 inch, and then I got a 1 inch binder. It's just this teal color with white pattern. It's super cute. Flowers. They don't have no pockets in them, but I wanted to get these because I think it'll last longer because it's like hardcover, so it'll be harder to break. And hopefully I can keep these for like 12th grade too. And I just got this with flowers, polka dots inside, and then lastly this. When you have binders, you obviously need loose leaf paper, so I just got loose leaf college rule. I have more, but I didn't want to sew everything, but I just got a pack of dividers to put inside my my binders to keep it organized, and it has pockets so you could put like important work in there, and you can keep tabs so you're folders. So you keep organized. So I got this one to go with that binder. It's plastic, and then the rest I got are just paper. I hope these could stay like cute throughout the school year, but knowing me, stuffing papers in, I'm not, so I'm gonna have to probably buy more folders. But I just got this polka dot, a heart. This one that I love so much is chevron and gold. It's metallic. And then this one is just purple with silver stripes. This sunlight is doing these folders to notebooks because you never know what, I don't know. I just got the notebooks because like I feel like you always need notebooks, and plus I'll be taking health too, so I figured maybe I need like a notebook for health. So I just got a neon green, and I also got a composition notebook. It is like this teal bluish baby blue color. It's glittery, and it's like, I don't know, what do you call this? It's rainbow. Is this holographic? Wait, it's not holographic. It's like when you can like see through stuff, or like it's like a, I don't know, but whatever this is, it is adorable. So I'll be using this for theater. This Sharpie highlighter. I get 4 highlighters, obviously. I get pink, orange, yellow, and then blue. It's always good to have highlighters because like you can like highlight important stuff, and like and it's cute to keep your notes organized. And then also I have this 24 pack of big sparkly pencils, mechanical pencils, and these write so smooth. Like I really like it. And you have like green, pink, purple, blue, yellow, like orange. A cheap brand of pens and like a nice good quality pack of pens. So I just got these paper made pens, Ink Joy, super smooth writing. It has 8 of them, and you get like this free it's like a free stylus pen. So I thought that was pretty good. File folder. It's good to keep my homework in, to keep me organized, and that's good. I had these like for the past years, and like it's just wonderful. It keeps me so organized. I stay on task. I handle my homework and everything. I just have like all my stuff with me at ease. So it's just a file folder. It is hot pink with black and white chevron, and I love it. And then the inside, I'm pretty sure you guys know what this looks like. It's just that it has like a purple locker shelf for my locker. So I definitely recommend getting a locker shelf because my school, our lockers are very tall, and like I don't want to like stack everything on top of each other, so it's good to like have this in there to keep like a space separate for each of your belongings, and it just makes things more easier. It looks more cleaner, nicer, organized, and like you could just grab it and go instead of just like having like a big bunch of binders and notebooks stacked up and like, you know, cluttered. And I'm a very organized person, so this is very good to get. Like super short, like yeah. I didn't really get like a lot of stuff. I just like eyeballed what I might need. I didn't get the school supply list or anything because if I waited, my school like sends out their stuff the last week of August, and like I didn't want to like upload this video so late for you guys. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave comments down below if you want me to do any more back to school series. I will be doing a back to school clothing haul because like, you know, I did one last year. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe, and comment down below what grade you're going into and what are you most excited for this school year. So that's all I have to say. Bye guys.